Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your iPhone screen into black and white. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your settings. And once you're inside settings, scroll down and look for accessibility under the general section here. So just tap on it. And now that you're in accessibility, find display and text size here. So it's usually the third option from the top. So go ahead and select it. And then next, scroll down a little further and you will see color filters. So this option will likely be turned off by default. So just tap on it and toggle the switch to turn it on. By default, it will probably be set to grayscale, which is exactly what we're looking for. If it's not, you can select grayscale manually. There are also other options you can explore, but grayscale is the one that changes your screen to black and white. And that's basically it. That's how you can turn your iPhone screen into black and white. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we'd really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.